Hello guys, if you like my awesome gaming videos, my programming and web development courses, my editing courses and editing videos, and my tech talks and tech guidance, then you can consider subscribing to my channel and click on this bell icon to stay connected with me all the time. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a very interesting video for you guys, and it's a 3D animation that you want to show your Android application, web application, and make portfolio and show your apps and your products to the audience in a 3D view. So it gives a nice little animation that what you have built and want to show to your audience. So it would be really helpful to know how to do 3D animation. As you see in the example, it looks really beautiful. So let's go and build something amazing with this. Okay, so let's go to the Premiere Pro and show you how I designed that 3D animation. So let's go and create a new project. Okay, and I'm gonna name it Animation 3D. Okay, I'm just naming it Animation 3D, and render is NVIDIA CUDA, and this is the location, and everything is set to OK. And then the next thing is that we need to import all of our media that we need here. Okay, so I have a folder called 3D animation. Here I want to import the background, the video background I want. You can import that here. The next thing, we need a video frame. Suppose I want this video frame here, this phone. You can use any phone frame and you will download it from the Google and you can use it. I'm just downloading this and dragging it. This is the phone frame, and then we're gonna need a background sound. If you want to add the background sound, you can drag it here. Okay, make sure the sound that you are dragging here is a copyright free sound if you want to upload it to YouTube or any other thing or any other platform. Okay, and you just everything should be free. Okay, and then we need just a screen recording of vertical video from your phone. Okay, when you record using any kind of a screen recording software using Android application or iOS, make sure that that recording of your software that you have built is here. As you can see, I have here, it is let me show you the aspect ratio, and as you can see, the bitrate is really small and 60 frames per second video. It is full HD, and the frame width, make sure its width is 1080, height is 1920. But in our monitor, which is 16:9 ratio, width is 1920 and the height is 1080. But here is different, it's opposite because it is a vertical video. In the vertically, we need to have a lot of pixels. That's why the height is 1920. Okay, and the height is 1080. That's why its aspect ratio is 9:16. Make sure that your screen recording should be 9:16 ratio. So drag it here as well. So we have the background image, the background audio, and the phone frame and the phone recording. So I think this is the thing that we need. Like, first we want to drag this image PNG that I have just downloaded, and as you can see, it's huge. You can change its size and click here and click on fit so that it looks better. Okay, so increase this size a little bit so that you can look better quality. Okay, so you can change the scale and make it whichever size you want. And here I need to import my screen recording. Here is the screen recording. I can drag it on top of it and I can delete it, and I lock two sequences, which is video and the PNG, and I can now delete the audio files that come with it. Okay, and make, as you can see, if I zoom in, you can increase the PNG tree photo to the video size so that it matches properly. Okay, as you can see, it matches properly. It now runs the video inside of a phone. Now what you can do, you can make the video up to your phone size. When I click on the upper portion where the video runs, this is your video sequences or the screen recording that you have, and just scale it up to your phone size, proper size. So this looks better. As you can see, if I run that, okay, it looks so good. Okay, now our video is playing over our PNG image of our smartphone. So that is the thing we want. Now we need to nest it in one sequence. So we make both the sequence into one sequence. Okay, because one is our video, one is our PNG photo. So we're gonna select both of them and right click on it and make nest. Okay, we're gonna nest it out. Nested video. Okay, this is the nested video. As you can see, it appears here. This is our main nested video. Now what you can do, you can just delete everything from here. Okay, delete everything from here. We're going to create a new sequence because this sequence is vertical. We need a horizontal now. So right click on empty space and go to the new item, go new sequence. In setting, we need to change the editing mode to custom, time based to 60 fps. If your video is 23 fps, you can go to 23. If your video is 30 fps, you can select 30, right? And change it to 1920 by 1080. It's up to you. And change the square pixel aspect ratio, and make sure the field is progressive scan and everything set to normal. You can save this preset if you want, but I'm not going to do that. It is very simple. Okay, so click OK. As you can see, now I have a full HD frame. Now I want to drag a background image first. So this is our main background image. Okay, I'm dragging and making it a little bit bigger. Click on it and I'm going to scale it out. Okay, I'm going to scale it out and go to the left side. I'm going to scale more and go to the left side. Now it looks better. Okay, now it looks better. This size is perfect. And now I can drag our main nested video on top of it. So I'm dragging it here and I'm just deleting the audio sequences here. And this is our nested video. So we need to make sure our abstract background wallpaper should be same as this one, as our video sequence, and make the top of our nested video scaling to lower so that it looks very beautiful. As you can see, when I make the scale smaller, it is inside our background. We have a nice background. You can give any background you want. As you can see, I think this looks perfect. I can make it more bigger. 36. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. If we run this application, so as you can see, it looks really beautiful when I keep it the scale to 36. So now is the perfect time to add your 3D perspective. So go to the video effect to add a 3D animation and go to the perspective filter and add the basic 3D. Okay, we have three options: basic, 3D, bevel, alpha, bevel, edges, drop shadows. You can add shadows and everything that you want. I'm just dragging the basic 3D because I want to give it 3D animation. Just dragging on top of it. Okay, now when I drag it, as you can see in the left side, we have basic 3D. So in the basic 3D, we have three options, which is survival, tilt, and distance to image. So I'm gonna tick mark all of those things and give a keyframe of all of them and right click on it and make it easy in. So first, we don't want animation. First, we want this swivel. So if we change it, as you can see, it changes the x-axis. As you can see, it go to the right to left, left to right. So first, we want the animation to stay there in this sequence. Okay, it looks better. And then we have tilt. Tilt is the x and y axis both will change. Okay, so in the tilt, you will change the upper side and you can see the lower side. This is the lower side of your phone and this is the upper side of your phone. If you just change this, you can see what the difference is. Okay, you can change it using vertically, and the swivel is the horizontal change, as you can see. So I'll keep it here. And okay, so this is the perfect solution. And distance to image, you can change it, you make it scalable. Okay, and this is the perfect solution. Okay, so this is perfect. 10 is perfect. So after you set everything that you looks better on your videos, then you can go to the next part. I'm just dragging it. As you can see, this is the last portion. In the last portion, I'm just selecting the keyframe again, and here what we want its tilt to like that, like this one, and change the survival to this and make the distance bigger. Okay, I think now it will look really good. So if you play this now, as you can see, it looks really beautiful. You can change the survival and it will look really good. Suppose I want to change the survival to this and make the tilt this, and now let's see how it looks. As you can see, it looks really beautiful. Let me see one more time. As you can see, now you have the 3D animation to your app, the project that you have built. You can show it to your client, to your audience. It looks really beautiful. And this is the apps that I have made, and I have made a screenshot and show it on the smartphone, and it is giving a nice 3D effect and showing all the features of my application. So this is the thing that you need to know when you want to design anything and want to showcase to the people and show off that what you have built in a nice 3D animation format. And for that, you need to know Adobe Premiere Pro a little bit and what I have taught you. So this is the basic thing that you need to know. So this is the thing that you need to know how to do that. After that, you need to go to the file and export and media, and you just export it to your preferred sequences. Okay, and it will look really good. So that's all for it, guys. I hope you learned a lot and how to do 3D animation on Premiere Pro with a lot of ease and access, and very easily, very effectively. If you like my video, obviously subscribe to my channel and give me more support, and like it and share your thoughts in the comment section so that I can get better motivation and my channel gets growth and I have more motivation and create more better content for you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll be coming with the next video with how to master audio editing in Premiere Pro. So thanks for watching. I'll come up with the next video.